Once again, 2023 Blade Show. We're with Money Creek Knives. We've got Jason, and he's going to show us something you have not seen before. We walk around looking for something unique, something high quality. We were stopped dead in our tracks because he made something we've never seen before. And if you're a knife nerd and you love sharp, shiny things, this is your stuff. So I'm going to let him show you something quite unique, something that you just have to have. Take it away, my friend.
Thank you. Blade Show 2023. So happy to be here. It's my first show. We'll just give you a little rundown on what we've got here at Money Creek Knives. We've got something for everybody, really. We've got handle materials. We've got Illinois woods, which is where I'm from Central Illinois. These are stabilized by King & G. Nice old growth Osage. We have some Hawaiian koa blocks here. And take a look at the displays here. These are some beautiful Hawaiian koa monkey pod and Norfolk pine. I actually got that into my suitcase on the way back from the Big Island last year and finished that up. Beautiful display. We've got rotary knives, and these particular ones here are they're equipped with a blade that you can just get online, but I do offer upgrades for $75. We have S35VN, and we also have titanium upgraded blades as well, which is what this one's wearing here in the middle. This is a PVD coating, a physical vapor deposition coating that you're looking at on a dyed black ash burl that I got at Pop's Knife Supply. And then moving down the line, we have all the knives that you see here are S35VN. I love that steel. Holds an edge so well. And these particular knife handles are designed with a palm swell slightly forward, and the back of the knife then is a little bit longer so that it accommodates different hand sizes. That's the concept behind that particular blade right there. And down here at the end of the table, what we're looking at is really the reason why I pulled the trigger on coming to Blade Show 2023, and that is for Give Us Pause. Give Us Pause is a 501c3 service dog organization. They provide service dogs to disabled veterans. I can't think of a better purpose to donate something to, and this particular rotary knife that you're looking at under the plexiglass here is powder coated and where I'm from in Illinois, and we're going to be raffling that off tomorrow at 10 a.m. right here. Do not need to be present to win. $5 a ticket or 5 for $20.
Okay, so when I'm in here looking at this, I see the wood, which is amazing, that you obviously supplied to yourself. I'm not allowed to eat a pizza, guys. I'm losing weight. I want to eat a pizza. I mean, this is very elaborate. So you said titanium.
I did.
I mean, how easy is that to work with? Or
I found out that titanium sparks like crazy when you work it. It's just you have to respect that metal. So I work this on a lathe, and I take the edge to a 3000 grit, and then I clean everything up with a mother's chrome polish.
I see some like logos embroidered like on top of that. Is that like laser etched or diamond cut, or how's that work?
Actually, these over here are laser etched, and the other ones on the titanium blades are an abrasive blast that I do in my shop.
So this would be an upgrade from pizza cutter to like steak cutter, chicken
whatever
mincer, barbecue maker.
Yep. Yeah, I'll tell you what. My brother has one, and it never leaves his countertop. He uses it to cut the crust off the kids' sandwiches. They use it for tortillas. It's a very versatile tool.
I'm looking at barbecue restaurants.
There you go.
Absolutely. Just getting it done. The wood itself is absolutely beautiful. I think it's a very original idea. I hadn't seen it. We had to stop. Again, if you come to 2023 Blade Show, you're going to see innovation. You're seeing technique, you're seeing art, you're seeing creative people, you're seeing amazing nonprofit organizations benefiting. Not only am my wife and I here at Never a Dull Moment big fans, very patriotic. We're very, very grateful for those who, first responders as well as military, that have given so much that we can have so much. So we're glad to know that canines, another love of ours, are also being taken care of. So definitely, If you're not purchasing today, they have a website.
That's right.
And so
we
the
have an
.com.
Instagram page.
And so you can reach out through them to get this done, to pick up something unique, something you don't have. And if you're a knife nerd, you got to add that to the collection. All right, so we look forward to bringing you more original content. We appreciate your time.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Stay tuned for more content for 2020 Blade Show. God bless.